Have you ever felt empty at night, even when everything in your life seems fine? You have people around you. You have a phone in your hand. But still, something feels missing, and you don't even know why. If you've ever felt this way, this video is for you. At night, everything becomes quiet. No noise, no distractions, just you and your thoughts. You start scrolling your phone, watching random videos, talking to people. But nothing feels good. You feel tired, but you can't sleep. You feel lonely, even when you are not alone. And slowly, this empty feeling starts growing inside you. The truth is, you are not the only one. Millions of people around the world feel this every night, but no one talks about it because it's hard to explain. How do you explain a feeling that you don't even understand? The first reason is overthinking. At night, your brain finally gets time to think. All the thoughts you ignored during the day come back. Past mistakes, future worries, what-if questions, and your mind keeps running non-stop. Second reason, your brain is overloaded. All day, you use your phone, watch reels, scroll social media. Your brain gets too much dopamine. So at night, when everything stops, your brain feels empty because it is used to constant stimulation. Third reason, emotional suppression. During the day, you stay busy. You don't think about your feelings. But at night, there is no escape. All those hidden emotions come to the surface. But here's the important part. This feeling is not your enemy. It's a signal. Your mind is trying to tell you something. First thing you should do, stop using your phone before sleep, at least 30 minutes before bed. Give your brain time to relax. No scrolling, no social media, just silence. Second, write your thoughts. Take a notebook and write whatever is in your mind. No filter, no judgment. This helps your brain release pressure. Third, try a simple breathing technique. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Breathe out for 4 seconds. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. You will feel calm. And the most important thing, talk to yourself kindly. Don't say, "I am broken." Say, "I am healing." Don't say, "I am weak." Say, "I am tired," and that's okay. Listen carefully. You are not empty. You're just overwhelmed. You are not alone, and you are not broken. Sometimes, your mind just needs rest. If this video helped you even a little, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel, Mr. SS Wisdom. Share this video with someone who might be feeling the same, and comment below, what do you feel at night? Remember, you are stronger than your thoughts. Good night. Take care.